Hello everyone, welcome back to Exams Easy. I hope you all are doing well. Through this video, we'll be discussing an engineering recruitment notification that has been published by Kerala Public Service Commission. Kerala Public Service Commission is going to recruit assistant engineers in engineering and civil engineering discipline. So friends, I would like to inform you that irrespective of your native state, you can apply for the above mentioned posts. So friends, before I begin, I would like to inform you that here in Exams Made Easy, you can get each and every engineering recruitment notifications every day. So if you are watching our videos for the first time, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe and never forget to press the all notification bell icon to never miss any further updates. So friends, candidates who have Aadhaar card should add Aadhaar card as ID proof in their profile. And friends, the name of firm is local self-government. Name of post is assistant engineer civil. Scale of pay as you can see here. Number of vacancies 41. So friends, out of this 41 number of vacancy, 3% will be reserved for the candidates belong to person with disabilities. Method of recruitment is direct appointment and age limitation is born between 1st of January 2002 to 2nd of January 1984. Qualification, since it is an assistant engineer post, so any degree in civil engineering or any other qualification recognized as equivalent, and associate membership of the institution of engineers. And friends, as you can see here, departmental quota is also there, and anticipated vacancy, no specific vacancy is mentioned for departmental quota, and it is mentioned here on an average 10% quota will be reserved for departmental candidates. And friends, I'm not going to discuss about the departmental candidates, and qualification will be same, that is degree in civil engineering or AMI or in civil engineering. So friends, some other informations are also there, that is how to register and so other informations. Last day of application is 4th of October 2020, and this is the website by following which you can apply online. The link is available in the description box of this video itself. By following the link, you can apply online. So friends, this was all about this recruitment notification. If you would like to get this PDF copy, you can get it from the description box of this video, as well as you can download the same from our Telegram channel. Thanks for watching as always. Have a nice day ahead.